Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to renew your website with Godaddy. Renewing your website keeps your domain and hosting active without any interruptions. Let's get started. First, we open the browser. Once the browser is open, we go to godaddy.com. After we reach the Godaddy website, we log into our account. After logging in, we see our name in the upper right corner. We click on our name. Then we go to the account section and click our name again in the upper right corner. Next, we click on Renewals and Billing. Now we are redirected to the Renewals and Billing page. Here we see Manage Subscriptions. We click on this option. If this is our website, for example, we just need to click the drop-down menu and then click Renew Now. Or we can select Auto Renew. We choose what works best for us, either Renew Now or set up Auto Renew, so our subscription continues without us having to do it manually. We can also renew our domain here. We have the option to renew now or turn on Auto Renew for less hassle and no interruption. Using a subscription keeps our domains, website, and hosting active. This is how we renew a website in Godaddy. Keeping our subscription updated helps us avoid downtime and keeps our site running smoothly.